Hello everyone. Hey, I'm here doing an apartment turn. I want to show you a couple ways that you can save on your utilities, in particular water, which is what I pay for in this building. It also can help the tenants if they can reduce their hot water usage, and they pay for that, which that's the case here. It's an electric hot water heater. It can also reduce their utility bills. So a couple different ways is one, always change out your flapper on your toilet. And I'll give you a great example of this, just a few apartments down. I didn't do this on a turn. It went bad, and the tenants there let it run, literally until it run full bore for a month. They didn't call me because they had a cat they were hiding inside their apartment. So they moved out at the end of the month. I went back, went there, noticed the toilet run and replaced this. Then when the water bill came in, it was about $800 more than it was on a typical month. So always for $4, change this out every single time. The second way is to change out your shower head. Now this is a 1.25 gallon per minute, which I believe is about half of what a normal shower head uses. I'll show you the item number here in case you want to pick one up. They're $8 on Amazon. They look good. They work good too. I actually put these in my home, not necessarily to save water, but to save hot water. At the time I had 5 kids living in the house, and every night I go to take a shower, I'm out of hot water. So I put these in the kids' bath, in the kids' shower, and lo and behold, I had hot water because they're only using about half as much. So worked well for that too. So these are great, and for $8, what a great investment. So stick around, I'll show you how to put both these items in, get them installed. All right, so changing a flapper is a very easy DIY project. I put in Quirky's Universal 2-inch. Really only 2 types of these. There's 2 and a 3-inch. I believe that's only 2 types. There are different types of flush valves, but this is probably the most common type you'll see there. It's pretty simple. Just shut off your water. Flush the toilet to get it out of there. And then these just snap in over here. And then disconnect your chain. And you can see this one's shot. All the rubber's missing down here. This one's not good. I'm surprised it's not leaking actually. So install your new one. Just hook these two. There's hooks down there for these, so just hook these over there. And probably the most challenging part is kind of getting your chain the right length. You don't want a lot of slack in your chain because that can get caught under the flapper and make it run. And you don't want it too tight to where it won't go back down all the way. So just keep that in mind. Just keep a little bit of slack once you hook it up, but not enough for it to get trapped under the rubber gasket. So I got that hooked up. Now I'll hook that to the arm here. Looks like about the right amount of slack. Turn your water back on. And that's it. That's how quick it is to install, and for $4 it can save you a lot of money if for some reason a tenant don't call you if you have a leak. Alright, to install your new shower head, you'll need a pair of channel locks. On this old one, I'm not too worried about damaging either one of these. This old one especially, I'm just going to throw away. Now on the new one, there should be a rubber gasket in here, a black rubber gasket. So you should be able to get by without that, just for added precautions. I like to put some Teflon tape on. You'll just want to do about 4 runs around, and you put your Teflon tape in the direction that you turn so to the right. And I like to leave like the first thread exposed so I know I'm not cross threading it. So that should be plenty. And now you simply just screw it on. Now if you're worried about damaging this, then you can put a towel or something between your channel locks, but I'm not really worried about that. Just want to slightly tighten it. Now all you need to do is check for leaks, and that's done. That's a quick, easy project that can cut your shower water usage in half. So I hope this helps everyone. Thanks for watching.